Bro, I'm trying to vlog. Guys, we're setting up for the grand opening, which is happening like right now as you guys watch this. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. First and foremost, shout out to everybody who copped some merch the last couple days. We did a merch drop on my birthday on Thursday. Thank you to everyone who got something from the merch drop. I appreciate it so freaking much. I can't wait till you guys get all your hoodies and t-shirts and everything else you ordered. If you guys did not get something, we have a few things left right here. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description, shop.findingnick.com. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys didn't skip forward already, but today is the day you guys have all been waiting for. The GTR is finally complete. It's fully wrapped, fully put together. I've been teasing you guys on Instagram for the past week. A lot of you guys already guessed the color, honestly, but it looks so freaking good. I'm looking at it right now and it's literally the sickest GTR. I want everyone right now to comment down below, what is your guess? What color do you guys think we did the GTR? I don't even reveal it, bro. Let's just show it. All right, guys, the color we went with the GTR is red. I had to do it red, bro. It looks so freaking good. Honestly, there's not that many red GTRs. I almost went with like a matte gray. That was like my second option, but I'm so glad we went with this red. This is from the brand Nissan, same company that's wrapped in my E92. They make this super gloss finish. It looks just like paint. Honestly, it's insane like how glossy it is. And the car is dirty. I actually took it out for a photo shoot today and the car is actually kind of dirty, but look how glossy it is, dude. Like, it's crazy. You can see all the reflections. You can literally see me in the reflection. It does not look like wrap. It literally looks like a full-on paint job, bro. It matches the brake calipers literally perfect too, which I'm so hyped about. And what's funny is I wasn't gonna do this color because it was sold out. I actually got a hold of one of the people from Nissan and they got me a roll. They found one left over in their warehouse. But yeah, it looks so freaking good, dude. I love it. The rear end is insane. We still have a carbon fiber front lip coming, carbon fiber side skirts, and a carbon fiber trunk coming too. The little ducktail trunk. But yeah, what do you guys think? Wing or no wing? Comment down below. Also, look at this little thing. This is probably like my favorite little touch right here. We literally put the FN logo underneath the wrap on the gas cap. I think it's cool, it's clean. Very small, so like it's not really like all out there, but it's clean. You can see that it's my car. But yeah, guys, I'm so freaking hyped. I love how it came out. Hopefully you guys like the color as much as I do. I think it's literally the sickest GTR that I've ever seen. This was making so much noise in the background, blowing up balloons. And yeah, tomorrow, well today, the day you guys are watching this, is actually the grand opening at our shop. So a lot of you guys are gonna get to see it in person, which I'm hyped about. I wanna see what you guys think in person. And yeah, now that I showed you guys the color, we can rewind and show you guys some of the footage of us wrapping the car, putting it together. Some of the stuff I filmed throughout the process, so let's play that footage. All right, guys, now that you guys have already seen the color, I can show you guys finally. Now we're going back in time. Right now we're putting the car all back together. I decided to vlog it because you guys might want to see some of this footage. The rear end is on. We got the spoiler. At first I wasn't too sure about the spoiler. Like, I really wanted the carbon trunk, but it honestly looks really sick with like the carbon black. It matches like all the black accents. But dude, this thing looks so sick. Look at the rear. Sheesh. I really didn't. I didn't want to change it, guys. You guys know how much I love the black, but I mean, my next favorite color on cars are red. We haven't even seen how really like bright. We haven't even seen it together yet. We're barely piecing it together right now. So you guys saw it before us. They did see it before us. This angle is perfect with the black wing, black wheels. Even the gold exhaust tips look pretty sick. And then we got this little accent. This thing came out really sick. Only like people who watch the vlog are gonna notice this or see it. But yeah, the car came out crazy. We're piecing it together right now. The headlights, the front bumper, that mirror, and I think that's pretty much it. The car's all put together. We actually did end up blacking all this out. So this used to be chrome, if you guys remember. This was chrome and this was like a gray, like the side skirts, but we blacked it all out. Unfortunately, we're not gonna have the lip in time or the side skirts, but I got carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front lip, and a carbon fiber trunk. It's just not here yet. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like the color. 80% of you guys already guessed the color. You guys all knew it was red. All week when I was hinting it in black and white pictures, everyone was commenting it's red. We already know. This week we also finished up this i8, the homie Kevin's, or Decal Connect. This color's sick, especially in the sun. It looks completely different. Sheesh. You guys have probably already seen that.
My car is. awesome.
This thing looks horrible, bro.
Oh, shit, dude.
Alright guys, I don't even know how this vlog is or how it's freaking edited, but we're on the way right now to rent a U-Haul trailer. I'm hoping to rent a trailer right now so I could take my drift car to the shop. I want to bring my drift car to the event tomorrow. Tomorrow's actually the SYCKWRAPS grand opening. And I want to bring it. I know a lot of you guys have never seen it. I don't think anyone has ever seen the drift car. I've only taken it to the track a handful of times. But yeah, I have to make a vlog today. Today's very, very busy. Going to get the drift car, taking it to the shop. Then I need to ship out all of your orders. By the way, thank you to everyone who placed the order. I appreciate it so freaking much. If you guys want to cop something, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description, shopfindingnick.com. I also appreciate all the birthday wishes this week. And also, I need to have a photo shoot today of the GTR. The GTR is all complete now, as you guys saw. And some photographer homies are gonna shoot it at like 5 p.m. at sunset. So yeah, very freaking busy day, very stressful, but we're gonna get it done. All right, guys, now it's the fun part. Where they get the drift car on the trailer. Dude, it's honestly hard because the angle kit, like it sticks out a lot. It barely fits. Guys, I didn't show you guys, but it got really messed up. Me and Jordan took it for a ride up the street like a couple days ago. And the hood doesn't have hood pins yet or hood locks. Usually we just have zip ties to close it. I drove it up the street, the hood flew open and almost hit the windshield. But good thing the windshield didn't crack. But we do need a new hood. Look at this. The whole hood's like cracked. All carbon fiber hood too. Now the hood doesn't even close right. It's all bent. It's all cracked. You can even see over there. Look. Oh my god, bro. I freaking love this car, guys. It sounds insane. I can't wait till you guys all hear it at the meet. The hood though, it's so ugly. God, that thing is clean. Bro, look at my E46. All right, guys, we made it back to the shop. Bro, that car looks so sick. Alright guys, now we're about to ship out all the merch. This is all the merch right here. Ship everything out and make it to the post office in like 1 hour. So hopefully we can make it happen. Guys, this is the first time I'm getting to see my GTR like complete. Look at this. With the front end on, it just looks insane. I don't even want to drive it. I told Manny I'm going to be scared to drive it because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to get rock chips or none of that, dude. Bro, I'm so glad I went with red. We almost did, guys. We almost did this color. This is my second option right here. It's called satin brushed aluminum. It's a pretty sick color, but that was like my second option. It was either between this or the Nosatech red. Are you gonna finish your car, Jordan, or what?
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
If you guys remember, Jordan's wrapping this car all by himself. It doesn't look bad, dude, honestly. Like for your first time wrapping. My E46 is actually the same color that Jordan's putting on the Mustang. Look at this. I'm not even done yet. We still got more orders right here, but this shit is just crazy. There's so many. I gotta hurry up and take all this up to the post office because it closes in like 20 minutes. But dude, this is insane. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Everyone who placed the order. Oh my God, bro, it doesn't even look like my car, dude. Sheesh. Bro, that shit is insane. Oh my God, that color is crazy. Bro, this shit looks so sick. Bro, it looks insane. Now it stands out, guys. Now you can see it. Everyone's gonna see it. When it was black, it looked good. It was mean. It looked so sick, all black. But the red, dude, this shit just stands out so much. Bro, this is the best color I could have chose. It's kind of like a burgundy red, bro. Like, it looks crazy. All right, guys, we brought the GTR out. This is the first time it's been on the road, dude. I'm so scared that someone's gonna see me driving in a bright red GTR. I feel like you guys will already know who it is, dude, if you guys saw this GTR. There's really not that many red GTRs, so. But we're on the way right now to meet up with some homies that are gonna shoot my car. These are gonna be like the reveal photos. All right, guys, we made it to the first location here. This is a cool little spot. We're waiting for the sun to go down a little more though, because it's way too bright. But dude, I can't get over the car. It looks so good. And guys, I'm never gonna shoot flames anymore, I think. I do not want to mess up the wrap. Like, if I know if I shoot flames, all this shit's gonna get burnt and turn black. It looks so good, dude. I'm so glad I chose red. I almost went gray, but I think the red is perfect. It stands out so freaking much. Shout out to these guys for coming out last minute too. I hit them out like last night. I was like, you guys want to shoot the GTR reveal? I'm gonna leave both their Instagrams right here, but. Third location in the dirt. You guys are making me go off-roading. At least I got the off-road tires on. All right guys, we just finished up the photo shoot. I cannot wait to see these photos. I think it's gonna come out insane, especially with like the sunset. It was like the perfect time and a pretty sick location. No way Hugo's car is that loud. No way, dude. Oh my God, dude. Hugo came through, brought the E92 all the way out here. Oh my God, dude. That shit might be louder than mine. Guys, I actually gave Hugo my X pipe, so he has no cats on it. He did the muffler delete, so it's literally the exact same setup that I had on mine. Hugo lives. I need to get my camera inside.
Bro, I hit the lip so many times I thought I broke it.
No way. It's crazy, huh?
Hey.
Bro, it doesn't even look like my car, bro. It looks crazy.
It's like an orange red, huh?
It looks like a burgundy red, huh? Bro, you like it?
Bro, it looks so sick.
Right here, it's like the perfect picture.
Hugo didn't want me to wrap it.
Black looks burgered up. It looks clean.
Black looks clean, but this like, woo.
But I mean, now you can see the shape of the car.
Oh, that's what the tin guy was telling me. He's like, bro, now it looks like a GTR.
Yeah,
like,
now you can see the whole GTR.
Oh
I know, now you can see the spoiler, carbon fiber, like,
Bro, it looks so sick.
it's
Wait,
crazy,
you
huh?
had this already?
Yeah, I had it, but you just couldn't tell because it was black. I can't even believe it's my car, bro. It's hard, huh? We got the E46. Bro, I broke the hood, dude, the other day. Look at this shit.
Damn.
It's still on.
This is what you mean?
I know, the steering wheel's inside,
Bro, it's
so no one
scary.
steals it.
I swear to God, this car's scary.
Why are you scared? It's just crazy. We almost crashed, huh?
This car is scary, bro. You barely step on it, you already.
It has like same horsepower as a GTR, but it weighs nothing.
That's what I'm saying. Weighs
So it's
nothing.
like, and it's
And
rear-wheel
it's a rear
drive.
wheel.
Yeah, that shit is
Bro,
scary.
you full throttle that, you're spinning.
And I think when we drove it, it had no tires either.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.